Hi guys, one of the best Victorian sponge recipes tried and tested by me. So I got beating with some eggs and sugar, a good 5 minutes till light and fluffy. I then added in some lemon rind and some lemon essence. From there, I moved on to my sifted flour and baking powder and I folded that in until just combined. On the stove, which I forgot to record, I boiled some milk and some butter and allowed that to cool. And then I added that into my batter mix. Again, till well combined and smooth. Popped it into the oven at 170 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes. And then I got cracking on my icing. So it was just a simple glaze icing with icing sugar, milk, and some lemon juice. And once my cake was out, I just drizzled the icing on top and allowed it to cool. This recipe is absolutely divine. The sponge is perfection. You can experiment with flavors, but I picked lemon and it was absolutely delish.